Begin this culinary adventure by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. As the oven warms, peel, core, and thinly slice about 6 medium-sized apples. Granny Smiths are perfect for their tartness and firmness, which balance the sweetness and prevent the pie from becoming too mushy. In a large mixing bowl, toss the apple slices with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. These spices will infuse the apples with a deep, comforting flavor. For a bright, lemony undertone, zest a whole lemon and stir the zest into the apple mixture. Next, unroll a store-bought or homemade pie crust into a 9-inch pie pan. Spoon the apple mixture into the crust, spreading it evenly. Dot the top with small pieces of butter, about 2 tablespoons worth, to enrich the filling and help thicken the juices. Cover the apples with a second pie crust. Seal the edges by crimping them with a fork or your fingers, then cut small slits in the top crust to allow steam to escape during baking. For a golden finish, brush the crust lightly with a beaten egg and sprinkle a pinch of sugar over it. Place the pie in the oven and bake for about 50 minutes or until the crust is golden and the filling bubbles through the slits. Remove the pie from the oven and let it cool on a rack for at least 30 minutes. This rest period lets the filling thicken up, making it easier to slice. While the pie cools, prepare the lemon ice cream. If using homemade, churn according to your ice cream maker's instructions, adding a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to your base for that crisp citrus flavor. If opting for store-bought, simply allow it to soften slightly for easy scooping. To serve, cut a warm slice of apple pie and top it with a generous scoop of lemon ice cream. The contrast between the hot, cinnamon-spiced apples and the cold, tart lemon ice cream is nothing short of magical. In summary, making apple pie a la mode with a lemon twist involves preparing a spiced apple filling, baking it within a flaky crust and serving it topped with lemon ice cream. Each bite offers a delightful mix of textures and flavors, sure to satisfy any dessert craving. Why not give this recipe a try? The process invites a delightful play of aromas in your kitchen, and the result, a dessert that might just become a new favorite at your table. Enjoy the warmth of the pie and the cool refreshment of the ice cream in a perfect balance.